Ashley A. 1565. That's in my head. Let's use it.
Okay.
Come on. 2. I'm looking at it. 1, 2.
Okay, right.
2 bath, 3 bedrooms.
Okay, right. Ready?
Yes.
Okay. Whenever you're ready.
What am I saying again? I'm Jerry Vicknair, production manager for America's Home Place, Hattiesburg. Today we're looking at the pre-pour slab foundation. This is actually at the foundation stage. It is actually ready for inspections and ready to pour concrete. The actually wood foundation behind us is the actual layout of the plans that the customer had picked out. We're currently at an Ashley A 3-bedroom, 2-bath, 1,525 square feet home. The actual metal grid behind us is a wire mesh that binds the concrete together once it's poured. The wire mesh actually does give the concrete more integrity. The actual PVC pipes that are sticking up behind us are wherever the customer has the kitchen layout or the bathroom layout or the showers, that's actually the plumbing for those fixtures in the home. The visqueen is actually a poly that we put down. It's actually a moisture barrier. It actually stops the moisture from coming up from the ground and condensating into the slab to prevent any mold issues inside the home. Here in Mississippi, the market is a demand for basically a slab monolithic foundation, and the reason for that, our water table here is fairly high, so building a basement would really cause more issues than what it's really actually worth. So actually building it on top of the ground to stay away from the water table is more sufficient. If you want to learn more, visit us at americashomeplace.com. Be sure to like and subscribe.